Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet pillow cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet pillow cover design refers to the pattern, style and technique used to create a decorative cover for a pillow using crochet. These designs can range from simple and minimalist to intricate and detailed, depending on the crochet stitches, yarn type, and embellishments used. Popular crochet pillow cover designs: classic granny square, made with multiple granny squares sewn together, or a large single granny square. Lacy and open work features delicate, airy stitches like shawls or fillet crochet for a vintage romantic look. Textured and chunky, use marble stitches, cables or puff stitches to create a rich, cozy texture. Floral and vintage inspired. Incorporate these crochet flowers, ruffles, or scalloped edges for a country cottage feel. A striped or color block alternates colors for a modern yet rustic charm. Tunisian crochet gives a oven look, making the pillow cover more structured. Embroidered or applique combines crochet motifs with embroidery or fabric for added detail. Button or envelope closure allows easy removal and washing, while adding decorative element. Best yarns for crochet pillow covers: cotton yarn, durable and breathable, perfect for everyday use. Acrylic yarn, soft and affordable, available in many colors, wool or blends, great for a warm, cozy feel. Here are some more tips to designing and making crochet pillow covers, especially in a vintage farmhouse style. Choose the right stitches and patterns. For a classic farmhouse look, use textured stitches like waffle, bobble, or moss stitch. For a vintage or shabby chic style, try lace patterns, shell stitches, or granny squares. For a rustic look, use Tunisian crochet or basket weave stitch for an oven effect. Pick the best yarn for a cozy feel: cotton yarn, perfect for warm seasons, easy to wash. Wool or wool blends, ideal for cozy soft feel. Acrylic yarn, affordable and easy to maintain. Recycled or natural fibers, great for a more authentic farmhouse taste. Add vintage and farmhouse details, lace or ruffle edged. Create a charming, delicate finish. Crochet appliques, add flowers, hearts, or farmhouse motifs. Wooden or shell buttons, functional and decorative, for an envelope style closure. Hand-stitched embroidery adds a unique vintage touch. Think details or floral finish. Use soft muted colors for a farmhouse look. Go for neutral and active tones like cream, beige, and white, classic and elegant. Soft pastels like shade green, dusty pink, or sky blue, perfect for vintage cottage charm. Rustic browns, greys, and warm orchards, great for a country-style feel. Make it practical and functional. Use a sturdy back panel. A tighter stitch on the back makes it durable. Add a removable insert, makes washing and changing covers easier. Create a reversible design. One side textured, the other simple for versatility. Mix and match texture for interest. Combine different stitches like granny squares with bubbles or lace with solid panels. Use chunky yarn for a cozy rustic look or thin cotton for a delicate vintage feel. Layer crochet over linen or burlap fabric for a unique texture contrast. Create unique shapes and size. Try different shapes beyond squares like round, oval, or heart-shaped pillow covers. Make lumber pillows with long, rectangular design featuring stripes or floral motifs. Use oversized crochet pillows for floors, cushions, or cozy nooks. Incorporate vintage and farmhouse accents. Sew in antique lace or embroidered fabric patches for a nostalgic touch. Add crochet tassels or pom-poms to the corners for a playful yet elegant detail. Use a scalloped or peacock border for a soft feminine finish. We think these ideas will help you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!